Romanian cheese, and it's supposed to be pretty amazing. It's all over the road on our way to Lisa.
113 lei, that whole cheese, and it's made from the milk of sheep.
So I don't normally eat cheese, but I'd be stupid not to eat this. It's a smoked sheep's cheese. Oh wow. Would make me start eating cheese now.
Try?
Wow. Super cool. We're driving on the way to Lisa, and then we found this cheese place, and anyway, we stopped by to visit this old lady and pick up some cheese for some friends in Thailand. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. We arrived in Lisa, and this is the home of the people that actually do the old style wool weaving, where they take the natural sheep or wool and then turn it into material. And they're going to give us a special tour, like I said, because part of Gia's family that does this. So they're going to give us a special tour, and I'm totally excited. So let's go check it out.
It's a family tradition that they share to work wool from scratch, and they're preserving this tradition. My father bought these machines probably secondhand, and don't know exactly how many hands it had gone through, but it was the Rieger company. This machine is the one that sort of teases the wool. Mixed wool that's beige and pink, and it comes out like the one over here. I'm going to demonstrate how it works. The product that comes out here goes on this machine one more time, and here is where it gets divided up into different wool. Demonstrated before, and clearly it broke. She has to start it once again. So from the rollers, they use this particular product, which I'm not. Deci asta ce face? There's two of them. So then they do the spool like that, and then it can be used for weaving. There are very few black sheep. They're disappearing, so it's very hard to get the black. The brown is a natural. They're actually that color, and then just by mixing, they're dyeing the red, but they're using the beige, the natural cream color that the sheep are. She's also learned how to do this. She were to sit down and start doing it a lot, then it's in good practice. And she knows exactly how. So once this is woven, they take it to outside in the whirlpool, and that makes it a lot thicker and fluffier, and yeah, we will watch the process.
This process started in the 1800s. Process of putting it in this washing machine, we don't really have a particular word for it, but it literally shrinks the dimensions of the produce, the product, and it also makes it a lot fluffier.
Ăsta se cheamă coșul de pământ.
Isn't that makes things fluffy?
Deci la bunicule moștenit. Și mișcarea... Scoate în afară lână, ca să fie mințoasă.
And fuzzy.
Duce la interior, felping de
Of working with wool. So they're only about. Huh. That's from her great grandfather. It has a signature up there. And the whole entire system of how it works. Product, and then it becomes with really different ways. Miniature flip-flop. N-avem pentru ce? N-avem nevoie.
Să mi-am adus de sus chiar tot așa, o să pun o... Da, soră! Da! Da! E bine! Am dus-o un pic la doctorița mea mică, că ea se panică.
So the pickling is just with salt, but the crunch is like.
Nu fac sărat, dacă vreți mai sare.
So after that amazing lunch, she's going to show us a salt bath or something.
Put a ton of salt in it. They heat it up, and then everybody in
Aici.
because she fills it with salt.
Trebuie să facem foc să se topească.
Like, where is she getting the salt?
De animale, sare, de linge animalele.
Oh,
Bruși, zicem
it's the salt lick that animals
no
are fed.
way.
Yeah, so they get that salt lick and they get it from flăgăraș, which is they get it from the depot for the animals. And she uses that kind, but she said it's very salty. Want to taste it? And but they need to heat up this thing because there's a lot that has not, it hasn't yet melted. So they need to heat the water in order for all of it to dilute.
O ținem 2 săptămâni și
And they keep it
facem...
like this 2 weeks.
O schimbăm.
And then they change it again. But this is a new batch, and tonight they're going to all sit in here and enjoy.
Nice.
Yeah.
Ce să
E
facem?
bună idee.
Da, sus a fost ideea și...
He said my husband was this idea. He wanted this, and he found it, and so here it is. Ce frumos! I told her that you wanted one of these in Oregon. Heated with the wood.
Primăvara.